Good morning, everyone. Let's look at your markets for today. Not a lot happening on the economic calendar today. It is Labor Day in New Zealand, but they do have their trade balances coming out. This would be the next day for them already, with them being ahead of time. So that's definitely going to drive the Kiwi one direction or another. Very important for them. Definitely keep an eye on that. We've got new home sales on the greenback, which is really not worth watching at all. And then business climate index on the euro, also not worth my time. Euro's got an interest rate decision coming out and monetary policy statement on Thursday. The yen as well, also on Thursday. And then the Bank of Canada has their decision on the loonie coming out on Wednesday. So the loonie, the yen, and the euro, we need to keep an eye on them. Should see some consolidation leading up to those decisions on Wednesday and Thursday, respectively. So definitely something to keep an eye on. But for now, these events for today are really not worth watching unless you want to trade the Kiwi. Unfortunately, I'll be sleeping, but definitely need to keep an eye on that if you do want to trade the Kiwi today. We'll turn to the indices quickly. Everything seems to be green and slightly up, but not a lot. I mean, 0.34% is more neutral than anything, if you ask me. So not really confident in saying this is a risk on sentiment, especially on a Monday morning. Gold and silver is slightly down, both of them. And then the Forex is neutral across the board, which is normal for a Monday morning. Speaking of Monday mornings, let us turn to the Commitment of Traders report. There we go. So what can we see from there? We've got the greenback. This looks like profit taking, so not a lot of increases in short, but a lot of decreases in long. So I believe this is just some profit taking. Doesn't mean it's suddenly going to go short, but can't really discern from that. It's a neutral sentiment overall, either way. So can't really discern anything from that, but here we've got something worth watching. A lot of short positions increased, some long positions decreased. So I think this is a very bearish sentiment on the pound. So we can definitely profit a little bit from that. And then the opposite is true on the Swissy. Increases in long, no short positions closed out, which means they expect this to be long-term bullish. So if we combine that with that, we could potentially go short on that and make a bit of profit from this report. So that being said, let us quickly turn to the charts and look at that. There's my prediction on the screen already. As you can see, I expect it to come down to this level. I could be wrong, but it's already below this key level. So for me, that indicates it can only come down from there. So I'm definitely gonna go short on this. Then I expect the same to happen. I expect this key level on the Aussie Swissy to break and for it to come down. But I'm not going to trade this one because I'm going to trade this one. I think we'll have a little bit more volume on this. Significantly higher ATR as well. So 167 versus 100 on the Aussie Swissy. So I'm not going to trade the Aussie Swissy, just wanted to show you. So we'll move that back to there. And then on dollar CAD, now I'm making a prediction that it'll hit this key level, which is also psychological level. So 1.32000 is a very psychological level. I do think we'll see it hit that. And what am I basing this on? Let's have a quick look. Brent is down, and not just a little bit down. It's broken out of the very big triangle there. Yeah, and my indicator is saying it's going to keep going. So this is down, and then if you look at the Dixie, it's on the upside, potential breakout at the top. It already closed at the upside, but it hasn't formed a higher high, which is really important for me to know that it is going to go up. So that's why I haven't opened that trade yet. So definitely going to keep an eye on it. So this will be my confirmation. If I have a higher high here, I will go long on that dollar CAD pair. So just keeping an eye on it for now. I'm not really trading any of the Aussie pairs. There's a lot of consolidation, but not really worth pursuing at the moment for me. So I'm staying out of the Aussie because I mean there's just nothing happening for me. So Euro Swissy, this is dependent on the monetary policy statement on Thursday, so we should see some consolidation sideways. Euro pound, any news on Brexit or rumors will push this one direction or another. Euro yen will be more dependent on Thursday's data, because both of them, the euro and Japan, both of them have their interest rate decisions and monetary policy statements coming out on Thursday. So this will potentially just go sideways as well. Same thing on the euro dollar. Pound dollar, as you know, whatever rumors float around on Brexit, that is going to push this one direction or another. Kiwi, this is going to go sideways until tonight's trade balance data coming out on the Kiwi. So definitely keep an eye on that. This one, it's similar to the Dixie. It pushed out, stopped, made a bit of a reversal. So I expect Swissy strength. So I don't know if this will continue down, but they seem to be in direct competition with each other. So it's been a while since I've seen a correlation like this between the Swissy and the dollar index, but it's there, so keep an eye on it. But yeah, it means I can't potentially just go long on this or go short on this. Definitely keep an eye on it. Dollar yen, that's also just trending, slightly up, but it's going to consolidate. So it's not going to keep going up. It's going to start ranging now, leading up to Thursday's interest rate decision. Okay, we've looked at Brent. I'm not going to look at it again. That's going to continue down. But gold, I mean, it created this breakout to the downside. So for me, I see little hope of this recovering. It does look like it's going to start ranging or continue to range between this green level and that green level. So not a lot of confidence there. If it does touch this level, I'll go long, but for anything else, I'm just staying out of it. So, I mean, we only have this potential. Let's move this from there to there, so it's not misleading, and this potential. And that's it. Nothing else really worth pursuing today. So let's keep an eye on this. This could be some profit. And this one, we're waiting for the confirmation. A higher high on the Dixie that'll give us this confirmation to go long. Anyway, that is it for the video. I hope it helps. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell as well. So good luck and enjoy.